Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your system clock and time zone are exact. SSL relies on correct time. Next, clear Chrome cache and cookies for the site. This removes stale cert data that can trigger errors. Once done, restart Chrome to apply changes and avoid transient issues. If you use a proxy or VPN, disable it briefly to rule out interception. These quick checks fix many certificate mismatches because browsers compare certificate validity windows to your system time and cached states. Now you inspect the certificate to learn why Chrome flags it. Click the padlock, view the certificate, and read the common name and expiry. Name mismatches or expired certs explain most errors. Then examine the issuer. If it's an internal CA, you may need to install a root certificate. Make sure intermediate certificates are present. Missing chain links cause failures. If the certificate looks valid but unfamiliar, quarantine the connection and verify with your IT or the website operator before proceeding. Finally, renew or install the correct certificate chain to resolve the error. If the cert expired, request a renewal from your CA and deploy it on the server. If the chain is incomplete, add the missing intermediate certificates. For internal CAs, import the root into the operating system Trust Store so Chrome recognizes it. Once deployed, test in incognito and on another device to confirm resolution. If problems persist, check firewall or antivirus HTTPS interception settings as a troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.